Hello everyone. So in this video we will install the Terraform on Ubuntu, and currently I'm in the Ubuntu. This is a fresh Ubuntu, so I'll just use sudo admin sudo su so that I can have an admin rights. So now we will go to the Google and find out how to install the uh, Ubuntu and what are the steps, and then we'll follow the same on the Ubuntu. So now let us say Terraform installation on Ubuntu, and just go to this site, and here we have um, steps, and click on this Linux, and now we have all the steps are there. Again, just copy the first one, and I'll just go to the Ubuntu server and I'll just paste it and just enter. So this link will not only install the package, but it will ensure your system is up to date, and you need to install the some of the software like software property common and curl package and gnu pg. Don't worry about this, just follow this uh, link. Again, the second one is you need a gpg key for the same. Just copy and paste. Once it is done, go for the third one and do the same thing. Okay, and then again the port link, and then you just need to sudo apt update. So I'll just do that, apt update. So this will update the package. Apt upgrade, say yes. So this may take a little while for upgrading your system. Once the upgrade done, you just need to execute command apt install terraform, and it will install the terraform. Once the terraform is done, just check the version. It says terraform version v1.8.1, and it is on the Linux AMD 64. Alright, so now we'll create a simple file and check. So I'll just say main.tf, and I'll just paste a simple without any provider. I'm just paste uh, yeah, just paste it. So this is a resource, and it's a local file. So it's an example is the name of the file, name of the resource. The file name is example.txt, and the content which is to be inserted into the file is this is an example file, all right? And I'll just edit this content, say I, and for Ubuntu testing /n. Okay, escape colon wq. Then now simply three commands, don't worry about it. Terraform init, Terraform run, and this will say what kind of changes have to be done on the system. Then Terraform apply. Okay, and say yes, and it is completed, green. Now see lslrt, and you can see then example.txt has created. Now let's see example content, and you can see this is an example file for Ubuntu testing. Alright, so that's a pretty simple example of how to install and check the Terraform on Ubuntu. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.